The S&P 500 surging on Wednesday and making its first 1% move since December. Welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Eric Chemi. Today we've got Gina Sanchez from Chantico Global and Chris Verrone with Strategas Research Partners. Chris, is this the start of a big move higher?
This is part of a big move higher that began many months ago, and I think the mistake here is waiting for the pause or the pullback. This is an uptrend. This is a bull market. This is how they behave. We want to be involved. There will be a pause or at some point, but we can't position for it. I think it's more important that we participate. And leadership is very good too. It's cyclical. Industrials are leading. Banks are as well. It's been a broad move. Advancers beating declining stocks about 5-1 today. So we like this move. We think it's the continuation of an advance that began many, many months ago.
Gina, what do you think? Do you agree with him that you want to be participating in this move up?
Well, what we've been telling our clients is if you're in, stay in. Obviously what Chris is saying is if you haven't gotten in, don't miss the boat. The one thing I would say is it's important to understand what's driving this market. And what's driving this market right now is sentiment and momentum. I wouldn't necessarily say that, for example, valuation is driving this market because we're stretched. Now, there is really positive macroeconomic data, and there's positive earnings that are certainly putting some oomph behind this, but we're well priced into that. At this point, we're really into the sort of buy the rumor, sell the fact kind of bull market. And so while I think that this is very momentum driven, you are going to have to watch that because this is also very much a stock picker's market. And so I would say be very, very careful about what you're buying and how it's going to react as we start to see the reality of this. And the reality could come a year from now. So this could go for a while.
Chris, I want to just take it back to you. When you look at the markets, though, moving up a little bit by a little bit over the last few weeks, and then you see this move pop up. But what does that say about volatility or just the strength of the move? Because like you said, the move's been going on for a while, but it did it so gradually.
Yeah, well, I think if anything, it speaks to the idea that maybe the pause everyone wanted was just a pause in time because volatility has been so low for the last several weeks. Historically, low volatility is a feature of uptrends. And I think the other important point here is, with respect to valuation, the irony of valuation is the most expensive corners of the market are also the most defensive corners of the market. That's not where we want to be. The groups that are leading this move are actually the cheapest. Bank of America still trades under book. JP Morgan trades 1.3 times book. That's where leadership is, and those are not expensive corners of the market here.
Well, Chris, it's been great having you here. Gina, as always, great to have you. Thanks to both of you for joining me on Trading Nation. I'm Eric Chemi. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.